Introduction to the advantages of new insulated poultry house construction materials. New insulated materials for poultry houses from China. Our panels are made of magnesium oxide fiberglass cement board. The 10 centimeters thick panels provide insulation equivalent to a 50 centimeters thick brick wall. Advantages of the panels. Insulation and thermal protection. Corrosion resistance. Waterproof and fireproof. Snow and wind resistance. Rodent prevention. Construction process. The gaps between wall panels are filled with foam and then bonded inside and outside with fiberglass mesh fabric. The interior side of the roof panels is bonded and the exterior gaps are filled with foam and then covered with color steel tiles for rain protection and aesthetics. The joints between the wall panels and roof panels are filled with foam and bonded on both sides. Once completed, the roof and walls form an integrated structure with excellent wind resistance. The construction cost is low, and the buildings are strong and durable. This solution has been successfully implemented in Ethiopia, Africa, and South Korea, Asia, with excellent results. We welcome clients from around the world to visit China for inspection and study. Structure and materials specifications. Roof panel, 5.4 meters long, 1 meter wide, 100 millimeters thick. Features insulation, corrosion resistance, waterproofing, fireproofing, snow resistance, and wind resistance. Wall panel, 3.3 meters long, 1 meter wide, 100 millimeters thick. Features insulation, corrosion resistance, waterproofing, fireproofing, snow resistance, and wind resistance. Hot dip galvanized steel beam, 9.8 meters long, 2.5 millimeters thick, steel pipe model 76 millimeters, ridge height 100 mm. Hot dip galvanized purlins, 6 meters long, 1.8 millimeters thick, made of 4 by 6 hot dip galvanized square steel, 4 rows per slope, 8 rows in total. Color steel tile, 5.4 meters long, 0.9 meters wide, 0.35 millimeters thick, gray color. Auxiliary materials includes magnesium oxide, magnesium chloride, 50 kilograms per bag, fiberglass mesh fabric, dovetail screws type 150. Eaves closure, 3 meters long, 0.11 meters wide, 0.35 millimeters thick, gray color. Ridge tiles, 3 meters long, 0.5 meters wide, 0.35 millimeters thick, gray colored. Construction and technical services. For a poultry house area of 700 to 1,000 square meters, it is estimated that 3 to 4 people can complete the installation in about 10 days. Our company can arrange technicians to assist and guide installation at the customer's poultry farm. Our technicians charge a daily wage of $150, and the customer also needs to pay for the technician's round-trip airfare, as well as cover their meals and accommodation.